This is one of 5 homes that experienced some damage. This is the Little Farms area in rural Okeechobee County. They had some roof damage here. You see the metal roof that peeled up. There's a shed in the back that saw some damage, and just some debris has been scattered around the yard. So it's a bit of a cleanup effort here. But this family is staying very positive given the circumstances that they are dealing with. In fact, I spoke with the woman who lives here. She says it was around noon, just before 1 o'clock this afternoon, when she said it was her chickens. She looked outside and they were running around frantically. That's what kind of keyed her to the idea that there might be something going on. She said she saw the winds move in. She ran inside. She said she started praying, and she says the winds moved over really, really quickly. So she went outside to see the damage left behind. Take a listen. What did you see?
I saw the chickens running, the chickens flying, the table flying, everything else there flying. Well, I was shaking. And first thing I was checking my chickens. They were okay. It was raining. Then we start checking over there. Everything was like destruction.
Yeah, and I did ask her about whether she heard any kind of sirens today. She did not hear any. I asked the Okeechobee County Sheriff's Office about that. They said in town, closer to the city of Okeechobee, there were sirens that were airing, but they did make note of the fact if you live in these more rural parts of the county, the sirens are further in town. So if you're miles out, you may not hear them. So the Okeechobee County Sheriff's Office wanted to use this moment to remind people they have an app you can download in any app store, which will alert you to weather events like this one as we get closer to the storm season. My colleague Joel Lopez is also out here in Okeechobee County with me, finding other areas that saw damage. I want to send things over to him right now. Also live, Joel, what are you seeing?
Yeah, we're actually in the backyard of one of the homeowners here. This behind me is the top side of one of the RVs that flipped over during the storm. That where the cows are right now is actually another trailer of the homeowner, but I really want you to see his yard. It's scattered with debris. In fact, some of the branches in the storm broke through this car and smashed the windows. He said he had just bought the car, so obviously big damage there. But if you look a little bit further away, this is his yard. That chicken coop completely destroyed. A trampoline a little bit farther away down there also lifted off of where it was originally. The homeowner says he's still having to assess if his animals are okay. You can see they're kind of running all over the place right now, but he said he was at work at the time and his biggest concern really was his family who was inside at the time of the storm.
And she was cooking over here on this side, and my little boy, he was over there in the house. She just went down under the table, I guess, and she was trying to get out, but it was stuff flying all the way around.
Yeah, he said his next step is now really to call insurance to figure out how much this is going to cost him financially.